Hey, bakers! Welcome back to Doughlicious Delights, the sweetest spot on the internet for all your baking cravings. Today we have a treat that's both quick and irresistibly delicious. Our quick and easy cinnamon rolls. If you're ready to fill your kitchen with the aroma of cinnamon and sugar, let's get started. But before we jump into the recipe, make sure to subscribe to Doughlicious Delights and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our delightful creations. And if you're a cinnamon lover like me, give this video a thumbs up. Let's take a look at what we need for these quick and easy cinnamon rolls. 1 package of refrigerated crescent roll dough. Half cup butter, softened. Half cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the icing, 1 cup powdered sugar. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons milk. First things first, spread a generous layer of softened butter over the dough. Then, sprinkle a mixture of brown sugar and ground cinnamon evenly across the surface. This is where the magic happens. Now, starting from the long side, carefully roll the dough into a log. Pro tip: keep it tight for those perfect, gooey layers. Using a sharp knife, slice the log into individual rolls and arrange them in a greased baking dish. Look at those swirls of cinnamon goodness. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and bake these beauties for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown and irresistibly aromatic. Trust me, your kitchen will thank you. While the rolls are baking, let's whip up a quick icing. In a bowl, combine powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and milk. Drizzle this luscious icing over the warm cinnamon rolls as soon as they come out of the oven. And there you have it, our quick and easy cinnamon rolls ready to be devoured. I can't resist taking a bite. Perfection! I hope you enjoyed baking these quick and easy cinnamon rolls with me today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cinnamon enthusiasts. Subscribe for more delightful recipes, and I'll see you in the next Doughlicious Delights adventure. Happy baking!